Hello, my name is Axel Rodriguez, and I'm the global lead for our cybersecurity partnerships. I'm here with Michael Hooper from Fortinet, one of our top cybersecurity partners. Hello, Michael. How are you doing?
I'm doing fabulous. First of all, thank you, and thank you for inviting me here today.
That's great to have you. Michael, tell us a little bit about what Fortinet does.
Yeah, so let me tell you, so Fortinet, so we are a publicly traded global cybersecurity company that's well over 20 years old. Our mission continues to be to look after people, their process, and data, wherever it may be. And then also our network and security solutions are amongst the most tested, some of the most validated in the industry.
That's great. And why Fortinet chose to partner with Rockwell Automation?
No, absolutely. As we were talking to our customers, and we were kind of helping them go through their digital transformation journey, a lot of these customers were asking us, do you work with Rockwell? And so they were starting their digital transformation journey and understanding on the IT side that they were secure, but on that OT side, they had no idea. So they were working with Rockwell. They wanted us to kind of pull together to help them go through that IT/OT convergence, and they want to be able to answer that question. Am I secure before they start digital transformation?
Well, that's great. And as part of this partnership, what kind of products, what are the core of the products that you offer that are the base of this partnership?
No, absolutely. So right now, we do have well over 40 different products, but the focus right now is going to be on our ruggedized product line, and specifically the Rugged 70F. And that Rugged 70F works in non-temperature controlled environments. So I say it works in 4075. It works in environments that are negative 40 degrees Celsius up to 75 degrees Celsius.
That's great. And what do you think? I mean, that this partnership is going to become in the future? How we this better together messaging that we are building together with Fortinet and Rockwell Automation is going to benefit our customers moving forward?
No, 100%, because what we're seeing is our customers are going on this digital transformation journey, and the first thing they always ask is, am I secure? Right. Well, today they can answer on the IT side. They really can't answer that on the OT side. So with your services on the OT side, our award-winning products on the IT side, together, we're going to be able to help them answer that question. Yes, they are secure.
That's great to hear. Rockwell Automation is very happy to partner with Fortinet, and we're really looking forward to continue to build this great partnership. Thank you very much. So thanks everybody. I'm hoping to check out Fortinet and Rockwell Solutions for your cybersecurity needs. Thank you.